Welcome to nigga. Not but a weak motherfucker.
Okay.
He ain't got no job.
Okay, hold on, ma'am. Stop saying N-word.
Okay.
We mute the jail.
Okay, we are officially live streaming. I'm going to officially call the state of Georgia versus Deneen Walker. It's my understanding that the state is represented by ADA Cheryl Freeman, and the defendant is represented by Ms. Attorney Rhonda Hill. And then we do have the defendant Deneen Walker present at the Clayton County Jail. So I'm officially calling the case. It's my understanding that the state has asked for continuance because of, I guess, to allow additional time for their witness. Is that correct, Ms. Freeman?
That's correct, Your Honor. It's our understanding that the witness was not sent a subpoena based on the records that we have. We have tried to reach the officer via email and the number that we have on file and have been unsuccessful. And so we are asking that the case be rescheduled.
Okay. And your response, Attorney Hill, to the state's request for continuance?
Your Honor, I would ask that Ms. Walker's charges are dismissed. She's been in Clayton County Jail's custody since September of 2021, so approximately 14 months, for which she proclaims her innocence. And yeah, we would just ask that the court dismiss the charges for one of prosecution.
Okay. Do you have a response to that, ADA Freeman?
Well, Judge, this is the first time the case has been on a felony calendar. I know it's my understanding that the case at one point was on a misdemeanor calendar and was supposed to be placed on a felony calendar. For whatever reason, that was not done. But it is my responsibility to represent the state. We look out for the victims in the case. This was a criminal damage to property in the second degree where the damage allegedly was more than $500. We have been in contact with the victim in the case who indicated that she will not be requesting restitution. So that is not an issue in the case. But I would like at least one other opportunity to get our witness here.
Okay. Okay, after considering both parties' arguments as well as the review of the charges in the case, I do find sufficient cause to dismiss the case in light of the circumstances. So I will grant the defendant's counsel motion for dismissal. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that will conclude your hearing, Ms. Walker.
Thank you.
Okay, are we ready to proceed forward with the next case that's scheduled for a hearing?
I believe ADA Brown has that.
Okay. Okay, real quick, before we do that, we do have attorney, I believe, Tolles. Is he, do you need to confer with your client, Attorney Tolles?
Yes, Judge. I need to confer with her. I just got the offer from the state, so I need to talk to her to see if she wants to take a bond on the case.
Okay, do you think that's going to take long or?
No,
okay.
Either she got the money or she don't.
Okay, great. Okay, so let me briefly put you in the breakout room with the jail, and then you can, do you have another case? I think you have two cases on the calendar, correct?
It was just, Attorney Tolles only had the one case.
Okay, so let me put you in the pod with the jail, and then we'll move forward with the hearing.
And Judge, we're still live on YouTube as well.
Okay, thank you.